Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In this session, I am going to discuss with you how to transform interrogative sentences into assertive sentences. Friends, you must have studied in your previous classes that interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask questions, and interrogative sentences are of two types. So first of all, I would like to focus on interrogative sentences. Our topic is how to transform interrogative sentences into assertive sentences. So to learn this, first of all we have to learn some keywords which is necessary to be learnt. Friends, as I have written a few lines on the board about interrogative sentences, sentences which start with anomalous finites or question words and ask questions are known as interrogative sentences. Friends, I have already discussed with you that some interrogative sentences are not used for the purpose of asking questions. The purpose of using those interrogative sentences is different. For example, if I say, do I hate you? क्या मैं तुमसे नफरत करता हूं? It means I don't hate you, I love you. मतलब इसका अर्थ होता है कि मैं तुमसे नफरत नहीं करता हूं बल्कि मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूं. डू आई चीट यू? क्या मैं तुम्हें धोखा देता हूं? इट मीन्स आई डोंट चीट यू बट आई कोऑपरेट यू, आई हेल्प यू. तो आइए फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस लर्न. दिस इज द definition of interrogative sentences, and it has been described in the definition that interrogative sentences may start with anomalous finites or question words. Anomalous finites क्या होता है? What are anomalous finites? Friends, there are 24 anomalous finites which are also known as auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are also known as anomalous finites. तो 24 auxiliary verbs जो हैं उन्हें हम लोग anomalous finites के नाम से भी जानते हैं. वे 24 auxiliary verbs हैं am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, need, dare and used to. So friends, you can also note down these anomalous finites. These are the complete anomalous finites. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, ought to, must, need, dare and used to are known as anomalous finites or auxiliary verbs. These are known as anomalous finites because their function is anomalous. इनके जो कार्य हैं वे विचित्र हैं. कहीं पर वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब के रूप में यूज होते हैं, कहीं पर मेन वर्ब के रूप में यूज होते हैं. तो there are variations in their use, in their function, so their names are also anomalous finites. Actually friends, I am not teaching you auxiliary verbs, but it was important to mention the anomalous finites before starting to discuss with you how to transform interrogative sentences into assertive sentences, because we shall have to use anomalous finites in transforming interrogative sentences into assertive sentences. Okay friends, now you can take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. You have just seen and you have just learnt in the definition of interrogative sentences that interrogative sentences may start with anomalous finites or question words. So there are two conditions of sentences to be interrogative sentences. The first one is that they will start with anomalous finites, and the second condition is that before the anomalous finites question words will come. When interrogative sentences start with anomalous finites, जब इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एनोमेलस फाइनाइट से शुरू होते हैं तो हम लोग कैसे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेज को असर्टिव में चेंज करते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट यूज्ड इन द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस और यस नो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इज चेंज्ड इनटू सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब वर्ड ऑर्डर. अर्थात यस नो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में जो एनोमिलस फाइनाइट अर्थात ऑक्सिलियरी वर्ब फिर जो सब्जेक्ट आता है उसे हम लोग सब्जेक्ट प्लस एनोमिलस फाइनाइट में या सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब में तब्दील कर देते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, द सेकेंड पॉइंट is if the interrogative sentence is also negative, it is transformed into affirmative assertive sentence. अर्थात यदि इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस निगेटिव भी है जो कि नॉट या नो या किसी अन्य निगेटिव वर्ड के प्रयोग करने से बनता है तो हम लोग उसे अफर्मेटिव असर्टिव में ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं. The rest part of this point will be written, but first of all you should take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. And the few more lines of the second point that I am going to write, you will see the remaining few lines of the second point are: if the interrogative sentence is affirmative, we transform it into a negative assertive sentence. Friends, these points will be clear with the help of a few examples. Friends, I have taken a sentence in the negative interrogative form. The sentence is, do I not love you? क्या मैं आपसे प्यार नहीं करता हूं? And its transformation in affirmative assertive form will be, I love you. Do I not love you? I love you. Does she not help you? क्या वह तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करती? And its transformation in affirmative assertive form will be, she helps you. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा कि किस तरह से निगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग अफर्मेटिव असर्टिव में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली, इफ द सेंटेंस इज इन अफर्मेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म, वी विल हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इनटू अ निगेटिव असर्टिव फॉर्म. बट दैट आई विल डिस्कस विथ यू after you take its screenshot or write down in your notebook, because I shall have to rub the board. I hope you have taken its screenshot or written down in your notebook, so I am going to rub the board. Okay friends, if the given sentence is in affirmative interrogative form, we will have to transform it into negative assertive form. Do they beat you? क्या वे लोग तुम्हें पीटते हैं? And its transformation in negative assertive form will be, they don't beat you. वे लोग तुम्हें नहीं पीटते हैं. Friends, we use this type of sentences to oppose, to show contrast. हम लोग विरोधाभास व्यक्त करने के लिए इस तरह के सेंटेंसेज का प्रयोग करते हैं. देखने में सेंटेंसेज इंट्रोगेटिव ही है, लेकिन जब हम बोलते हैं इन्हें, व्हेन वी स्पीक देम, द रिदम ऑफ स्पीकिंग इज चेंज्ड, द वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग सच सेंटेंसेज इज चेंज्ड. लाइक if we speak, do they beat you, it means we ask them whether they beat you. हम लोग पूछते हैं कि क्या वे तुम्हें पीटते हैं, तो जवाब आएगा हाँ या ना में, यस और नो. बट इफ वी नो दैट दे डोंट बीट यू एंड यू से दे बीट मी, मैं जानता हूं कि ये लोग तुम्हें नहीं पीटते हैं, लेकिन आप कहते हैं या तुम कहते हो कि वे लोग मुझे पीटते हैं, तो हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं? डू दे बीट यू, डू दे बीट यू, मतलब क्या वे लोग तुम्हें पीटते हैं, क्या वे लोग तुम्हें पीटते हैं. मतलब देखिए, इसमें बोलने के तरीका को बदल देने से ही वाक्य का अर्थ बदल जाता है. डू दे बीट यू, क्या वे लोग तुम्हें पीटते हैं. इट मीन्स वे लोग तो खुद कमजोर हैं, दे देमसेल्व्स आर वेरी वीक, हाउ कैन दे बीट यू. तो यहां पर कहां पे बोली को हम लोग थोड़ा नीचा करेंगे या ऊपर करेंगे तो उसका अर्थ बदल जाएगा. यह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होता है. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ वी चेंज द rhythm of our voice, whatever we speak, the meaning of the sentence will be changed. Do they beat you, do they beat you, and do they beat you, all are interrogative sentences, but due to change in the way of speaking, their meanings change. So friends, you would have learned how to transform interrogative sentences into assertive form. They help you is an affirmative assertive sentence, and its transformation in negative interrogative form will be do they not help you, do they not help you, वे लोग आपकी मदद नहीं करते हैं. It means they help you. So friends, with the explanation of how we can transform interrogative sentences of this type into assertive form, I am ending this session. And if you like this session, it's my request, it's my humble request to all of you to like it, comment it, and share it with your friends, as well as download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.